What has been your biggest victory to date?
So, my biggest victory is probably one of my smallest verdicts. It's a young probationary officer for the LAPD. He came to the United States undocumented as a young kid, years ago. Got his resident visa. And then for him, his path to citizenship at the time was through enlistment. So he enlisted in the Marines. And he enlisted and he deployed to Iraq. And he did a tour in Iraq as a machine gunner on top of a Humvee. And he came back and finished his paperwork and immediately went to the Los Angeles Police Department Academy because that's what he wanted to do. And while he was on probation, which is a year's time, he finished his work day and his wife gave him a call and said, I have a flat tire. He went to help her. And when he got to the location, Pomona PD was already on the scene. Well, as a result of his arrival, they actually applied force to him, arrested him, claimed he was interfering with their investigation. And as a result of that, because he was on probation, he was immediately fired. He found his way to me. I was able to get his job back, which is rare when the LAPD lets an officer go on probation. I've actually never heard of it other than him. And then represented him in a civil rights suit against Pomona and successfully obtained a verdict. And so, you know, had he not gotten his job back, the verdict would have been 10 times higher because of all the lost earnings. But it was so much more important for this young kid, he's in his early 20s, who was married and his wife was pregnant, you know, to have a job that he was going to have for the rest of his life with medical and pension. So that probably is one of my more meaningful victories as a lawyer.